My sketch looked doomed: blank paper, failing colors, rising panic. I needed magic, but my old paints only disappointed again. Then I opened the case and froze in shock. 50 vivid colors stared back like a hidden treasure. I thought it was just another cheap beginner set. Wrong. 6 premium brushes came ready for precise control. No flimsy substitutes, no weak tips, no frustrating strokes. The built-in mixing tray changed everything in one breath. Suddenly, custom shades flowed like secrets coming alive. A little water transformed each pigment into glowing transparency. My colors blended smoothly, rich, bold, and beautifully fearless. Even beginners can create confidently from the very first stroke. And the portable metal case? Pure travel-ready brilliance. Pack it, carry it, paint anywhere: studios, parks, mountains. Grabie's 5-0 color watercolor set saves every artist from creative disaster.